time again for the Governor's annual boat race around Cutlass Island. This year, the Portobello Cup carried a prize of 100 gold doubloons.
100 gold doubloons, tottering turtles. With my tip-top captaincy, we're bound to win.
Don't we have to enter first, Captain?
Nonsense. I'll have to enter first at the Governor's castle.
Don't forget to turn left at the top of the stairs.
Yes, I think I know my way, Tom. Go!
Are these the only entrants?
Yes, sir.
Oh well. Now, gentlemen, I have set up the Governor's Cup to encourage the virtues of seamanship and good sportsmanship. The rules of the race are simple. I shall start it by firing a cannon here at Compass Point.
Boom!
Your ships must sail all the way around Cutlass Island and past the finishing line here. The winner will be greeted by me firing another cannon.
Boom!
Sorry. All clear? Okay. May the best man win.
There's only going to be one winner, me.
I didn't think so. I'm going to win this race.
You wouldn't bet on it, though, would you? Tell you what, you win, you take the Flying Dustman. If I win, I catch the Black Pig. So, you don't think you'll win?
Captain, don't.
I accept your bet and look forward to winning fair and square.
Nobody said anything about being fair.
Righto. Well, Tom, think of something.
No good will come of this sailing practice.
Maybe anchor hauling wasn't a good idea. I know. Sail changing. Not again.
Captain, is this crew aren't doing any practicing?
Well, they'll regret it. Right. We'll have a short break for lunch.
I told you. No good would come of all this racing.
Tom, my lad, test of your navigation skills. What's this here?
It's a map, Captain. And those are mud flats.
Yes, of course. These lines here are the mud flats.
Yes, Captain. All around this side of Cutlass Island.
Yes. Are they a problem?
They could be. Captain, if you pulled out of the race now, Cutthroat Jake couldn't take the ship.
Tottering turtles. If you're going to keep on with defeatist talk, go to your cabin and stay away until we've won the race. Go on. Lucky I spotted those mud flats.
Gambling fever swept into Portobello. Would the Flying Dustman win? Would the Black Pig finish? Would the Black Pig start? Evening fell over the bay as the two ships made their way to the starting line.
Shivering sharks, Billy! Careful!
It's got the steering it.
Look where you're going!
Whack!
Drop the anchor, quick, Jonah!
Yes, sir.
With respect, Captain, would it not be possible to let young Tom do the steering like what he usually does?
Oh, does he? No. We could win this race without him.
Oh, dear. The captain's never going to win the race without some help. I'll have to do something. But what?
Hey, look, do you think we're gonna win or what?
Quiet! Listen to my cunning plan. We all know that Pugwash doesn't stand a chance in the race tomorrow, but tonight we're gonna make sure of that.
How?
How? We're gonna cheat! Quiet! Now his steering wheel won't work. That's done it. And by the time that old fool Pugwash finds out, we'll have won the race.
If Jake's cheating, then there's only one way to save the Black Pig.
As a new day dawned, the two ships were ready for the off. At least one of them was.
Careful! Fair! Help!
I'll put it out.
Oh!
Where's Tom?
We couldn't find him.
Stuttering sturgeons. The race is about to start.
They thought we were going to race without young Tom.
But he's still supposed to wake us up and make our breakfast.
Ahoy there!
It's the governor. Tottering turtles. He's starting the race.
Captain Jake.
Captain Jake!
Morning, Governor.
Captain Pugwash.
Captain Pugwash!
Yes?
Keeping you up, are we, Pugwash?
On your mark.
On your marks!
Yes.
Get set.
Get set!
Not quite ready.
Right, lads, raise the anchor, hoist the mainsail, heave-ho, me handsome! I'll be waiting for you at the finishing line, Pugwash. You can hand over your ship then.
You haven't won yet. Unfold the main anchor. Hoist the thingy. Splice the rod arm.
Can I do the anchor?
No!
The black pig's moving, Captain Jake!
Straight onto the mud flats.
Oh, Captain!
Not now, Jonah. Starboard, Willie. Starboard.
This is starboard.
It's not. We're still going straight ahead.
Something funny with this wheel.
It's not the wheel that's the problem. Tottering turtles, give it to me.
There's no rush now!
Shivering sharks. Of course there's a rush. We're in a race.
No! We're stuck in the mud. That is what I was trying to tell you. I said no good would come of this racing.
Ha! He'll be there for hours and hours. And by then, we'll have won the race.
You're not pushing hard enough. Come on, Willie. 1, 2, 3.
Back.
As the hours passed, the Flying Dustman sailed on towards the finish line, whilst the Black Pig remained stickily stuck. For Jake and his crew, it was celebration time.
Oh, that's the finish, boss.
We got round faster than I expected. We've won.
Just one more job to do before I go back.
I can't wait to see the look on that old fool Pugwash's face when he hands the black pig over to me.
Where have you been?
On Cutlass Island, Captain.
Well, why weren't you here so I could throw you off the ship? Only I won't have a ship to throw you off for much longer.
Why's that?
We've lost the race.
No, Captain, not yet.
We heard the cannon.
That wasn't the finishing gun. That was me.
What?
And the tide's coming in, so we'll soon float off the mudflats.
You mean we can still win?
Yes, Captain.
Well, I never doubted it, of course. Mr. Mate, Jonah, Willie, look lively. Hoist the... I must have caught a cold. Tom, you do it.
Aye, aye, Captain.
I suppose a little light lunch is out of the question.
What? That's the Black Pig.
You've lost, Pugwash! We finished hours ago. What are you waving at? Come back! That's my ship now!
Flying Dustman's getting a bit close to those rocks. Wouldn't you say, Jonah?
Do you think we should tell them?
I think they might find out soon enough.
We're coming up to the finish now.
I always knew we'd win. How about 3 cheers for your captain, me hearters?
Hey, what's happening? We won! We won!
Well, congratulations, Pugwash. First-class effort.
And top-hole captaincy, I'd say.
Well, give me that. I won.
No, you didn't. The Black Pig was the first ship to pass the finishing flag, and, well, you stopped half a mile short.
What?
I won't hold you to your bet, Jake. I don't want your ship. Not in the condition it's in now. Tea, Governor? Of course, we'd have finished hours ago if it wasn't for my cabin boy jumping ship during the race.
Fortunately for Captain Pugwash, Jake never realized that Tom's new finishing post had been placed half a mile back up the coast from the real one. But of course, the best man won.